Yeah, if you take the larger dish, the largest one, I think, he has one here with a picture, with a paint, something like that.
The blue? Or the really big?
That's real big.
Maybe the brown one?
Well, both of them, so I will divide. Even the brown
So
one.
what's
here,
this called in Italian, the red mullet?
Triglia.
All right, Tria. That's the one that we were talking about earlier.
Yeah.
And then what's this guy?
Merluzzo.
Merluzzo. This is the cod?
This is cod.
I've never seen cod like this. I've only seen white fillet.
Now, well, when they are cut
Yeah.
in pieces, I understand what you say.
Codfish is very popular on the East Coast, in Boston and. Okay, goodbye, cod.